Hey kids! Welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go!
We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going!
Some sounds are short, which is Mizuna's peeing sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Ella the One's pooping sound effect. And some sound effects are very long, which is Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. Let's talk about sound effects.
And today's talking about sound effect is the season 3 finale, the Diarrhea sound effect from Zozo. Hey kids, welcome to the season 3 finale of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Aldoella here, and today's sound effect is the Diarrhea sound effect from Zozo. Are you ready to talk about this sound effect?
Yeah!
Great, let's get going. It's from a video called Veronica Gets Gassy, Gadget Fart, Diarrhea. It was uploaded on October 12th, 2022. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 128 to 156. Let's see how many total seconds are from this video. It's 28. The total seconds are 28. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now, kids, let's preview this sound effect to see what it sounds like. See, I already told you that the sound effect would sound like. This sound effect is only used for my O-season characters when they poop or when they have explosive diarrhea in the toilet. Remember, kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Zozo before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here and it will be in the description. The sound effect starts at 128 and ends at 156. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in Season 4. Toodaloo, everybody!
Studios.